Cooking Apa.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Apa just came back from Phuket, Thailand, and one thing that we actually eat quite a lot during our stay in Phuket is actually the local fried rice. And me and my wife actually tasted a few rounds, and we decided to buy one particular secret ingredient to bring back from Thailand in order to cook the Thai fried rice. Yeah. Initially, Apa always thought it's actually the Thai fish sauce. Actually, it's not. It is not the Thai fish sauce which make Thai fried rice so different. It is the Thai Maggi soya sauce. Let me show you. Right? It is actually the Thai Maggi soya sauce that makes the Thai fried rice taste different and super fragrant. So I'm going to use this to cook it today, and also I'll be using some prawns. Yeah, some prawns which I have deveined and cut off the pointy part, and also some free-range egg. And I've gotten my mother-in-law to help me to pre-cook. This is 2 cups of white rice, steamed rice, pre-cook about a few hours, yeah, before I cook the fried rice. And I'll be adding some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder as well. This is made out of 100% nature ingredient. Yeah, for those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any Envied restaurant in Malaysia. So first of all, we are going to fry out the prawn and set it aside. Yeah, let's heat up some oil first. I think I can give it a little bit more oil here. Once the oil is heated up, we can actually put in the prawns. You always want to allow hot oil have a direct contact with the shell, prawn shell. That will really enhance the flavor. So we're going to fry the prawn for approximately between about 2 minutes, yeah, 2 minutes plus. Then we will set it aside. Meanwhile, you can give it a little bit of seasoning if you like. I don't mind to give it a little bit of fine salt here. Wow, it is now super fragrant already. I want to char the prawn. Always char your prawn. It will actually brings out the flavor even nicer. Wow, I can really smell it. Not sure if you can see the tamale, yeah? See all this orangey tamale? Beautiful from my prawn. Alright, this is after about 2 minutes. This prawn is almost fully cooked. And I'm going to set it aside. Alright, so here's some of the prawn oil I gotten just now from the other wok. I'm going to add a little bit of oil here. And let's heat it up to medium-high heat. Actually, even before it is heated up, we can actually put in the egg. And we can break it out. Once it becomes approximately about 50-60% cooked, we can actually add in the white rice, the pre-cooked white rice. This is not yet. All right, this is about 50% right now. Ooh. Put in the white rice. Then you want to quickly spread out the rice and mix it nicely with the egg yolk. Not egg yolk, sorry, the eggs. So what you want to do right now is to make the rice into individual grain, yeah, so that it doesn't clumps out. A good fried rice, it should be coming in an individual grain, rice grain. So you don't need to press it, yeah. You can see immediately the rice becoming golden in color. Now you know why is it we want to add in the rice when the egg is still half cooked just now, right? It is to get this kind of eggy golden effect. So now you want to really bring out the nice fragrance of the rice grain together with the egg itself. It's always easier to make fried rice using a wok, yeah, because it has deeper depth. If not, the rice can actually drop out quite easily. Right, now as you can see, I'm getting the kind of individual grain that I'm looking for. This is the time we can actually start to give it some seasoning. And tune down the fire a little bit first. First of all, I'm going to give it some of my Cooking Apa chicken salt powder. Next thing is the secret ingredient we bring all the way back from Thailand. The Maggi light soya sauce. And try to put in from the edges so that it has direct heat with the hot wok, yeah? Oh, I can smell the soya sauce already. I don't mind to give it a little bit of salt actually. Fine salt. And not forgetting our prawn. Whoa, I can smell the soya sauce. Seriously, really nice. Oh, now we want to raise the heat. I forgot. You want to raise the heat. You need heat here to really bring out the nice aroma from all the ingredients here, especially the light soya sauce, the egg, and also the rice. Wow, fragrant. Almost done. I just want to try to see, is it salty enough? Yep, definitely salty enough. Oh, very fragrant. The Thailand Maggi light soya sauce really makes a difference. I'm not sure about the local Malaysian Maggi light soya sauce, how is it taste? Perhaps you all can give it a try also. It's basically done. Just going to give it a little bit of light soya sauce. Sorry, this is a white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is. Alright, here's Apa very simple Thai prawn fried rice recipe. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.